beef okra garlic casserole or garlic beef okra pav. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef okra recipes and one of the most unique of the beef okra casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beef okra bowl recipes and one of the most delicious of the okra recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beef recipes and one of the most unique of the veal recipes. We're going to make garlic beef okra casserole. Around 100 grams of okra cut into pieces, around 150 to 200 grams of beef pieces cut into pieces. The next ingredients are around 15 to 20 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves, 15 grams of ginger, and 10 to 15 garlic cloves. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Variable. Let it saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic leaves. Salt the garlic leaves. Put in the ginger. Put in salt taste. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly salt and mix. Spoon of coriander powder. Put in half a spoon of chili powder. Put in quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Thoroughly. Put in some curry leaves. Salt thoroughly. Salt thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Salt. Put in the sweet tea. Salt and mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Thoroughly fry. Put in the okra pieces. Saute it. Keep on sauteing for 10 to 15 minutes. Listen cook for 90 minutes. Stirring in between. Add water if needed. After 90 minutes, open. Now the garlic beef okra casserole is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. Final garlic beef okra casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef okra recipes and one of the most unique of the beef okra casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef okra stew recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef okra recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beef recipes and one of the most unique of the veal recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.